Hey everyone, my name is DOJO MOJO, back again with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the S11 leaks. And we're not just going to be talking about any leaks. Today we're going to be talking about the battery size of the S11. So, according to this article from gizmodo.com, the S11 is going to have the biggest battery in any Samsung ever created, pretty much. So, as you can see from these images, the S11e is going to contain a physically smaller battery, but a much larger battery capacity, and it's believed to be 4,000 milliamps per hour. So, like, this small battery over here for the S11e, which is the base model, the model for that's going to be more like cost effective, is going for like 4,000 milliamps per hour, and that's like about 30% higher than the battery capacity of the Galaxy S10e. So that's a considerable improvement there, because the Galaxy S10e was 3,100 milliamps per hour, and considering it's going to be at that size, it's most likely going to be a little more expensive, but to the advantage of the user, because now they have more battery to expend, and there's longer talk time and usage time with this phone. So even if you're going for a more cost-effective device, so this would be a much viable option because of its large battery life. So that's a great bonus there that Samsung is adding. And just to let y'all know, all of this information is based off of the leaks from Ice Universe, the very popular leaker who usually reveals lots of information before the release of major Android devices from like Samsung, Oppo, Huawei, Xiaomi, and various others. But it's mostly centered around Samsung, as you can tell from his feed. He's got a lot of information about their devices. So yeah, don't forget to check out his feed to actually confirm the information I'm telling you. Also, according to Ice Universe, the S11 Plus's battery capacity, would be 5,000 milliamps per hour. So this new battery is actually gonna have the greatest battery capacity in any smartphone, like, in the industry. That's pretty great. Like, the battery is believed to support the 5G modem in the S11 Plus. The possible, not quite confirmed, the possible 108 megapixel image sensor in the camera of the S11 Plus, and the I think it's confirmed right now, the 120 hertz refresh rate or 90 hertz refresh rate on the S11 Plus. So pretty much it supports a buttload of other functions and enhancements on the S11 Plus. And honestly, I don't think you need any greater battery life. Like, 5,000 milliamps per hour is a pretty good deal, and even at $1,000, it actually, is pretty reasonable for a smartphone like this, of this type. And considering the fact that Samsung has been supplying the displays to other manufacturers like Apple, Google, and other smartphone manufacturers, like these displays, these super fast, high resolution displays, I think it actually does make up for the price pretty well, because you have greater functionality, and you're less worried about battery life, because not only is the CPU in this next device going to be way more efficient handling all these various operations at a time, the battery is also going to provide a little extra juice, so it's not like completely draining the battery when processing the image after taking a photo, or establishing a connection with the 5G network. Those regular everyday things, that kind of thing. So yeah, basically this new battery, this huge battery is going to support lots of features like the 120 hertz, possibly 90 hertz display coming on this next device, the 108 megapixel camera, like I've stated before, and the 5G modems it's going to contain. Considering that most manufacturers are making the switch to 5G, but not a complete switch, but more of like a offering a compatibility option, pretty much because of the rapid boom of the 5G industry. So yeah, these are all good things. This has actually gotten me a little more excited for this phone, and it should for you too, because substantial improvements like this could actually fare as great competition for Apple, Huawei, and Google, especially Google with the release of the Google Pixel 4, because their low-end model has 2,800 milliamps per hour. And when they come to the realization that other major players in the industry are increasing their battery capacity to support greater functionality, like 5G modems and like faster processing, they're going to want to step up their game, enhancing the competition we already see in the arena. So I think it's a very great thing. And I hope to see greater improvements like this with all other companies, not just Samsung. So I want Apple to start increasing their battery capacity and other features. I want Huawei to do the same thing, Google especially, Oppo, Xiaomi, a plethora of other companies that are playing a role in the industry. I want them all to improve upon specific functions like this, so that there's greater competition in the arena, especially now with the rise of 5G. So before I go on to end this video, I want to let y'all know that a very disturbing event has just happened. So like a couple days ago, I got locked out of my LG Stylo 4, and ever since then I haven't been able to get past the lock screen, so I can't access my personal data, and it's been very tough for me to factory reset it, because it's kind of hard to do on an LG Stylo 4 apparently. I don't know why that's the case, but it just is. So I'll be taking that to a repair shop soon to see if the repairman can actually fix it up, possibly factory data reset it, and allow for me to retrieve my data on it. So once my phone is back in previous state, like once it's back to original factory standards or whatever, I'll have it as my main video recording device, and the video quality you see on my channel substantially increase, because I want for you guys to watch content that's not like horrible, grainy, extremely noisy 480p or 720p. I think that's disgusting. And I really would love for major quality improvements. So yeah, stay tuned for more content like this and Samsung Galaxy 11 leaks. All right, so make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and enable notifications, because I will have more videos like this, especially about like the Samsung Galaxy S11, which is set to release in early spring next year. So make sure to enable all notifications for new news like this, and also share this to other people interested in new devices like this and want to know more about major developments in smartphone technology. All right, I provide all of that information very clearly and understandably, and I just cut out all the hotspots and unnecessary technical information. So if you have people who are interested in topics like this, make sure to share this video to them. This is all I have to say. This is DOJO MOJO signing out.